welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn off or how to disable the camera shutter sound on your M4 iPad. So you'll notice that whenever you go to take photos, you can hear that shutter sound. To disable it, we have three things we can try. The first is by putting your iPad in silent mode, and when in silent mode, when you take photos, you should no longer hear the shutter sound. The second way is by reducing the volume of your iPad. So first, put your phone out of silent mode. Then from here, reduce the system volume all the way down to 0. And you'll notice that when you take photos, you should not be able to hear the shutter sound. And the final way is by taking live photos. So put the volume level up to 100. Then ensure that your phone is not in silent mode. And once you've done all of that, launch camera. Then on the sidebar, select the live photo icon. Then once it's enabled, whenever you take photos, you should not be able to hear the shutter sound. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.